And hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about the First Progress credit card. Now, the First Progress credit card, this is really one of them last resort credit cards. I'm not going to lie, it's not a credit card that you want to keep very often or even you want to give very often. They're going to do a soft inquiry on your credit reports to see if they can actually approve you. But a lot of other credit cards, kind of like if you guys ever heard of me talk about the credit builder card, that's who the credit builder. This is who the credit builder card actually get their credit cards from. So you apply with the credit builder, but they actually give you a First Progress credit card. And I've been seeing a lot of people actually mess up on this credit card too. When you're starting off, you're trying to build your credit, and that's only because I see a lot of times they have higher annual fees. If you would have started with a credit card that don't have an annual fee, at least you only have to pay back what you actually spent. So that's why when it comes down to this credit card, this is really like the last resort. Okay, do not try to get this credit card in under any other circumstances other than nobody will approve you for the credit card. I mean nobody. Then you go ahead and actually try to get this credit card. And the reason why I say nobody, because you can go with a Navy Federal, you can go with Capital One. These are great ones. Um, and Discover, those are secure credit cards that can actually help you build your credit. So I would suggest you guys start with those first. Now, here's some more information about the First Progress credit card. It is a secure credit card. It's to help you build your credit. They say that they do offer lower APRs, but again, you want to check the annual fee. No credit check required. They're only going to pre-qualify you. I mean, they're going to give you a soft inquiry for pre-qualification, as you can see here. Now, be careful with the high annual fees. I tried to make sure that I was very specific on my website to let you guys know to be careful. This is a good card. It's going to help you build your credit. So I definitely like that. Any credit card that can actually report to the credit bureaus is going to actually help you build your credit. And they're going to report to all three credit bureaus. Now, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved, you probably need to start working on your credit seriously. So if you can see right here, these are accounts that my clients actually use. They would actually get deleted from their credit reports. These are credit score increases. And again, credit score increase here. You probably need to almost like to get your credit score higher so you can start getting approved for some of these other credit cards that's on here. So definitely check out that $1 trial. All you have to do is click on that banner I just showed you. And then also I have these for my memberships. My membership is actually going to be going up as of March 2025. This is what it is. But my membership will be going up soon because I really need to start focusing on a certain amount of people. So I'm going to change how I'm doing my membership. So definitely check this out. My membership before the prices go up, and then I also create the credit 101 for those people that need to start learning about credit. Now, I messed up so many different times with my credit when I was younger. That's how I learned about it. I was never fully taught about making sure I pay my statement balance by my due date. Just making sure that I just don't spend too much money on a credit card, how to get approved for these different credit cards. These are not things that I was taught. So that's why I was happy to actually put together this Credit 101 membership. It is $1 trial for 7 days, but the membership is literally just $9.99 per month. This is really nice, especially we're talking dispute letters. We're talking about budgeting, worksheets, guides, checklists. It's really nice, and it's over 200 videos. I think we're close to like 230 something videos within here. And you don't have to worry about ads or anything like that. Once you're in the course, you're in the course. You don't have to worry about ads on YouTube because some of this is available on YouTube, and then also the documents you can be able to download those right away. Now, I told you guys similar credit cards, definitely the credit builder card, because the credit builder card is basically going to give you this First Progress. And the credit builder card, their annual fee is only $22, I believe, maybe $29 at the most. That's not too bad for people that can't get approved for credit cards, but still, I don't want you guys to have annual fee if you can help it. You don't want to start off with annual fees. Only time I'm okay with having an annual fee is if you guys have one of those credit cards that have a lot of great rewards. And we also have the Open Sky Visa credit card and the Discover It Secure credit card. So definitely check out all of these. Discover It, I know they're doing great. They're actually graduating people credit cards, so definitely check that out. Now, also, we have a lot of different credit cards here. Now, I put together these lists to be able to really separate all the different credit cards. Everybody want to get different credit cards. I understand that. So I'll try to like separate all of the different credit cards on this list. So if you guys are looking to build your credit, I have a list for you. If you guys are looking to actually just get credit cards that's best for gas or some type of rewards because you're putting a lot of miles on your car. You always at the gas station. I have this list. If you guys want to actually get some type of bonus when you sign up for it, I have a list for you for rewards, cash back, pre-qualified without a hard inquiry, bad credit, students, travel. I have so many different credit card lists here. So definitely check these different lists out because you're going to be able to find one that's perfect for you. So this credit card, I put this one in the best credit card to build credit. And another reason why I say build credit and not necessarily bad credit, and it's because with building credit, you're not going to want to you're going to be okay with putting a security deposit down. You're going to be okay with actually putting that deposit down. But with bad credit, you're not necessarily, to me, when I'm thinking about bad credit, you're not necessarily caring about building your credit. You're just trying to get what credit you can get at that moment, whether your credit is good or bad. So that's why I put that in the best credit cards to build credit. So definitely check out those different lists. We do have the 6 months of free letters for those people that need to start working to remove those negative accounts from your credit reports. All you have to do is follow steps 1 through 5. The fifth step is to actually call us. Follow these steps, and we'll go ahead and create 6 months of letters for you, and we'll send them to you. And not only will we create those letters, the 6 months of letters for you, but we can actually mail them out on our end if that's something that you need help with. Actually, make sure you stay on top of mailing the letters. Again, follow steps 1 through 5. You can go ahead and get those letters emailed to you, or we can mail them out on our end. Also, we have our exclusive credit membership. I told you guys about this earlier. These are actual results from members that's a part of my exclusive credit membership. So definitely check it out. Now, when you go to the First Progress website, this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to be a $200 credit card. You're going to get 1% cash back rewards, they say. You also no minimum credit history or credit score required. Also reports monthly to all 3 credit bureaus. And this is what you're looking for. You want to be able to get in the door and get approved. They got 1% cash back rewards. I guess that's not bad, especially if you're paying your statement balance by your due date, especially if you're putting a lot of purchases on this credit card too. So you're getting so much back in cash back, and all that cash back you're using to pay your annual fee. And it reports to all 3 credit bureaus. But again, this is what the application looks like. You have to fill out all of this information. And they have a free design for you, but you guys can upgrade to another design, which is actually here for $9.95, and you could apply it right here on their website. And again, they say that we may pull a soft inquiry on your credit. Soft inquiries do not impact your credit score. So understand that they may do a soft inquiry, but this is not going to be a hard inquiry on your credit report. So definitely check this out, and I hope that you are able to get approved. Again, it's other credit cards that's out there. If you guys are trying to get approved for credit cards, this is like, to me, the last option. You can't get approved for anything, but you're trying to build your credit, you're trying to get your life together. This is the card that you want to actually get. So definitely check it out. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments or call us at 833 Rickita. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.